Are you interested in health, safety, security and environment? Do you wish to become a professional member of British International Organisation? Are you interested in OSHA certification, or is your organisation interested in becoming an accredited training centre? And finally, are you looking for an opportunity to work in an oil and gas sector, manufacturing industry or construction company as health and safety professionals? Then Occupational Safety and Health Association, United Kingdom, is your dream come true. Join us today to become a trained and certified member of the Occupational Safety and Health Association. For more information, visit our regional headquarters at the ground floor of Federal Secretariat Complex Phase 1 Central Business District, FCT, Abuja. WhatsApp or call 08170 22 55730 705 3786 Email us via info@oshassociation.org. You can also visit www.oshassociation.org or www.nigeria.oshassociation.org.